Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about prime and composite numbers. Okay. So to understand prime numbers and composite numbers, let us take some numbers and their factors. So let us just write the numbers here and their factors here. Okay. Let's take a number, say 3. So we have already learned how to take out the factors. Okay. So if we take out the factors of 3 comes out to be 1 and 3. Okay. If we take out the factors of 4 are what? 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Then similarly, if we take out the factors of 6, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay. If you take out factors of 7, factors of 7 are nothing but 1 and 7. If we take out the factors of 13, 13 has only two factors, 1 and 13 itself. Okay. So notice one thing, 3 has only two factors, 1 and 3 itself. But 4 has, apart from 1 and 4, it has 2 also as factor. In 6 also we have seen that apart from 1 and 6, we have 2 extra factors. But in 7 or 13, the factors are 1 and the number itself. Okay. So the numbers which have maximum 2 factors, which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Okay. Like in case of 7, 7 has only 2 factors, 1 and 7 itself. So in these kind of numbers are called prime. These are prime numbers. 7 is a prime number. 13 is called a prime number. That means prime numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Okay. If you talk about say number 23, if you try to find out the factors of 23, you will see only it has 1 and 23 itself as a factor. Okay. You will not find any more factors of 23, 1 and itself. So in that case 23 is a prime number. Okay. Now what happens in case of 4 and 6? We have more than 2 factors. Apart from 1 and 4 itself, we have one extra factor. In case of 6 also, we have, apart from 1 and 6, we have 2 and 3 as its factor. So the numbers which have more than 2 factors, okay, so those numbers are called composite numbers. 6 is also called composite number. So the numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite number. Okay. If you talk about 8, can you tell me what is 8? A prime number or a composite number? Okay. Since 8 has more than 2 factors, 1 will be there, 2 is also a factor, 4 is also a factor, and 8 is also a factor. So 8 is what? A prime number or composite number? Which one? Yes, composite number. Okay. So this was our concept about prime number and composite number. Now you may ask me that what is 1? Okay. As our definition was that number having only 2 factors are prime and more than 2 are composite. So this special one here, it has only 1 as a factor. Okay, it do not have more than 1 factor. Factor of 1 is only 1, so we have 1 factor. So we till now we have not talked about 1 factor. We talked about two factors and more than two factors. So in this case, we say that one is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so one is unique number. Okay, one is neither prime nor composite. It is not prime number also, it is not composite number also. Okay, now if you have understood the concept, try to give some examples of prime numbers. After watching this video in our WhatsApp group, you try to give some other examples of prime numbers. Okay, not this one I have given only. Okay, so you try to give some other examples of prime number after watching this video. Thank you.